Yeah, this is a cold start video of my 2006 Power Stroke diesel. We're up here in the Northwoods, Wisconsin. It's a very moderate 4 degrees today. Go ahead and kick her over there, Jimbo. Yeah, we're gonna cycle the glow plugs a couple times here. She's chugging along today. About to go out and plow out, do a little salting. Gotta put the salt dog on here. Gonna shovel out some laundromats. Y'all have a good day now.